And as of today, TikTok is back.
In a new development, TikTok is resuming services to its 170 million users in the US after President-elect Donald Trump said he would issue an executive order to give the app a reprieve when it takes office on Monday. The President-elect addressed TikTok's operation in the US, crediting his leadership to its service restoration after a national security-related shutdown. "We have to save TikTok," it told supporters, pledging to delay a ban to negotiate a deal ensuring its American ownership. Recall on Saturday evening, the Chinese-owned app stopped working for American users after a law banning it on national security grounds came into effect. Trump, who had previously backed a ban of the platform, promised on Sunday to delay implementation of the law and allow more time for a deal to be made. TikTok then said that it was in the process of restoring service. Soon after, the app started working again, and a pop-up message to its millions of users thanked Trump by name. In a statement, the company thanked the incoming president for providing the necessary clarity and assurance, and said it will work with Trump on a long-term solution that keeps TikTok in the United States. Posting on Truth Social, a social media platform he owns, Trump said on Sunday, "I'm asking companies not to let TikTok stay dark. I will issue an executive order on Monday to extend the period of time before the law's prohibitions take effect so that we can make a deal to protect our national security." TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, previously ignored a law requiring it to sell its US operations to avoid a ban. We will continue to bring you real-time news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.